Hi everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. So today we have chocolate egg surprises to open. Our first one is a Finding Dory chocolate surprise egg. Delicious milk chocolate. And inside a toy. Let's check out the flyer. Lots of different characters to collect. Oh, and we got Destiny. And here's Destiny. I love how the little stand looks almost like a water spout. Isn't that cute? And next we have a Disney princess egg. Pretty pink label. Ooh, all different princesses to collect. Ooh, we got Aurora. She's in her beautiful pink gown, and she comes on this really beautiful castle display stand. But you know what's really special about this? It glows in the dark. Next is Thomas and Friends. Oh, I have a cracked egg. Oh, it looks like I have some building to do. Is it Percy? Let's see the flyer. Oh, stickers too. It looks like we can get Thomas, Percy, Gordon, or Henry. All right, I'll put it together and we'll see who we have. Oh, it says right here we have Henry. And here's Henry all put together, the number 3 tank engine. Ooh, next is a My Little Pony Kinder Egg surprise. There's Rainbow Dash. Delicious Kinder chocolate. And the flyer. Oh, it looks like a little spinny top. How cute. Okay, I'll put it together. Okay, so now that I have it all put together, it's not a spinny top, because sometimes they look like this where you spin them around like a little toy. This is actually like a little pin you can wear on your clothing. You put this on top of your shirt like that, and then you take this little piece, put it behind your shirt, and you can clip it on and wear it. It's like a piece of jewelry. Super, super pretty. Next, we have a Blaze and the Monster Machine egg. Oh, looks like I have more building to do. Here's the flyer. Oh, we got Blaze. Awesome. That was so easy to put together. And look, the wheels are real working wheels. He looks awesome. And next we have a Frozen egg. Anna and Elsa. The flyer. Oh, and it looks like we got Princess Anna. Oh, look, she comes out in one piece. That's awesome. I don't have to put her together. Oh, she's super pretty, and she comes on a little display stand also. That's really cute. And next we have a Hello Kitty. Pretty pink capsule for Hello Kitty. And here's the flyer. Looks like Hello Kitty in all sorts of different outfits. And we have, oh, that's easy. Take her out. And she's all put together too. She's super sweet. Look at her in her little pink dress. She almost looks like a ballerina. Very, very cute. And next we have Princess Lily. Ooh, that's pretty, the purple. The flyer. Aw, they're so, so pretty. Aw, look how pretty. We got Sophie. Oh, I have to put Sophie together too. She is so super pretty. I love the color of her mane and her tail. She has her little crown on. Super, super pretty. Love her. And next we have a Monster High Kinder Surprise egg. Super cool. Ooh, it looks like a ring. Let's look at the flyer. Yep, it is a ring where it looks like you can change all of the pictures. You get all of these pictures of all the different Monster High dolls, and you can change it every day to whoever you feel like wearing that day. Here, I'll put one of them together. So there you go. You just snap the picture in the little frame, and then you can wear it. Next, we have Shopkins. Ooh, that's a really cute label. Look at all those Shopkins. Poppycorn, Strawberry Kiss. I see Apple Blossom. Sneaky Wedge I saw on there. Let's see what we get. Here's the flyer. Oh, and you get all these little Shopkins figures. All right, I'll put it together. We'll see who we have. We got Fiona Fries. And it's not just a figure. It's like a little charm. It has a little hole there. You can put it on a necklace or on a bracelet. That is really, really cute. It was super easy to put together. Almost like a puzzle. Next, we have the Powerpuff Girls. Lots of different figures to collect. Ooh, and we got Mojo. Mojo Joe, let's put it together. And here's Mojo Jojo all put together. That's so hard to say. Mojo Jojo. Super, super cute. And we have a Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Uh-oh. That does not look like Jake and the Neverland Pirates. That says Batman. What? Well, that's really strange. I wonder what's really inside the egg. We got a green capsule, so now I'm thinking it really is Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Yep, it is. Somebody put the wrong label on our egg. We got TikTok Croc. Oh, his tail is not on. Well, this one's really easy to put together. Or not. There we go. There he is. Aw, this is a really good one. He looks super, super cool. Oh my gosh, so many little surprises. Alright guys, so before I go and enjoy all of those delicious chocolate eggs, it's time to pick a favorite. I think mine for today has to be our Shopkins Fiona Fries. I don't know, I just love that one. It was super fun to put together, and I think it's really cool that it could be a necklace or just a little collectible figure. Alright, leave me a comment. Let me know which one of these was your favorite for today. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked any of them, and be sure to subscribe and come back to see lots more toys and surprises every single day on Cam's Toy Box. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.